Hello students, welcome back to Infinite Adhyan. Today in this particular video we shall be discussing and solving few questions relating to the laws of exponents of class 8. So let's start discussing. So here our first question is to simplify, and we all know what is the meaning of simplify, right? To express the to take the expression in the simplest form. So here number 1 is 3 to the power minus 4 divided by 3 to the power minus 5. This one is very easy, right? Just we have to use the laws of exponent and then solve. So let's solve the expression. Now 3 to the power minus 4 divided by 3 to the power minus 5 can be written in this form, isn't it? Look, 3 to the power minus 4 then minus 5 can be written, right, by using this law. A to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. We know this law, right? Okay, so we have just used this law and put their values. Okay, in place of a we have there is 3, in place of m we have minus 4, in this is divide, right? In place of this a is 3 and in place of n we have minus 5. So we have written a is what, 3, m is what, minus 4, then this minus, okay, then n is what, minus 5. So we have written. Now what will be minus 4 minus minus, it is what, it is plus, minus 4 plus 5. So it is 3 to the power minus 1, sorry, 3 to the power 1, and 3 to the power 1 means what, 3. Clear? Okay. Now let's solve this one. Now this is also same, okay, 29 to the power 3 divided by 29 to the power 2, very easy. Let's write 29 to the power 3 divided by 29 to the power 2 equals 29 to the power 3 minus 2. We write bracket, since a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. Clear? Okay, so 29 to the power 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. So it will be 29. I hope this is clear to you, right? Just we have to use the laws of exponent and then we can, anyone can solve. Okay, so now let's move to our next, that is Roman number 3. 11 by 9 to the power minus 7. 11 by 9 to the power minus 7. Eleven by 9 to the power minus 7 into 9 by 11 into 9 by 11 to the power minus how much? Minus 8. Clear? Okay. Now look, in all those previous cases we have this base same. Clear? But here base is not same. One base means what? This. Okay, this is called base. First base is 11 by 9 and second base is 9 by 11. Are they same? No, they are not same. So what to do? We have to make their base same. Okay, so can anyone say how can we make their base same? Look, first thing we have to write solution, then 11 to the power 9 minus 7 into 9 to the power 11 to the power minus 8. Clear? Okay, till now I have done nothing, just we have started. Now look, 11 to the power 9 to the power minus 7 into 11 to the power 9 to the power 8. Can we write this? Because yes, we can write. Look, why we can write this? Because we have one law. Since a to the power minus n equals 1 by a to the power n. Clear? I hope you have understood this. Okay, if you don't understood, let's look. This is what? Consider this is a. Okay, 9 by 11 is a and this is our minus n. Okay, so now what can we write with this law? We can write like this, right? 1 by 9 by 11 to the power 8. We can write this, right? Okay, clear? Now this 11 will get reciprocal, right? This 11 will go to the numerator. Clear, isn't it? Okay, look another 2 more steps and you will be understood. Now this line, this expression we can express like this also, 9 to the power 8 by 11 to the power 8. Now look, now so this 11 will go to the numerator, right? Like this, it will be 11 to the power 8, 9 to the power 8. Now can we write this one is 11 to the 11 by 9 common to the power 8? Can we write? Yes. So I have written this one. Okay. So here what changed? This power changed. Okay. Okay. Power also changed. Base also changed. Okay. For changing base, this power also changed. Clear? Now to this base, these two bases are same, isn't it? One is 11 by 9 and next one is also 11 by 9. Clear? So did you understand this, how to how this from 9 by 11 11 by 9 came? Okay. So next step will be what? This base is same, powers are different, so we'll use our that law, isn't it? So we'll write 11 by 9 to the power minus 7 plus 8, isn't it? In bracket we'll write since a to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. Okay. Okay. So now 11 by 9 to the power minus 7, minus plus is what? Minus. Now 8 minus 7 is what? 8 minus 7 is 1, and sign will be of the greater number, so it will be the power 1. So it is 11 by 9. Clear? I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so now let's move to our next question, that is question number 2. This one is also evaluate and simplify are same thing. Okay, so here the expression is what? 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 2. So let us solve this and find it our answer. So let's look at the board. First thing we have to write solution, then 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1. Okay, then divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Now can we write 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2? Yes. 4 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 4? Yes. Then this bracket close, divided by 2 to the power minus 2 is 1 by 2 to the power 2. How did we write this? Because we know one law is there, since a to the power minus n, since a to the power minus n equals 1 by a to the power n. Clear? Okay. Now you will say, sir, where is this 1? 2 to the power 1 means 2. Okay, so I don't have written there 1. Clear? Okay. Now look, how we know this is what these are these rational numbers, right? And we know how to multiply rational number, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 4 is 8. Clear? Then divided by this 1, look, 1, yes. Now 2 to the power 2 means what? 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is how much? 4. Clear? Okay. Up to this clear? Now look. Now after this line, okay, can we write this one 1 by 8 into 4 or 4 by 1? Can we write? Yes, because look, this part is extra. Okay, 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4 means what? 1 by 8 into 4 by 1. Okay, this will be the reciprocal and it will be multiplied. So here again numerator into numerator, 4 into 1, and generally we don't need to write denominator 1. Okay, so we'll write only 4. Up to this clear? Okay, so now numerator into numerator is 4 by 8. Clear? Okay, now can we cancel this both two terms? Yes, we can, isn't it? This will be with 4, if we cancel 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, so it will be 1 by 2. So this is our the simplest one, and we have evaluated this, right? So now let's solve another one and you will be more clear. Okay, so the next question is 3 to the power minus 5 divided by 3 to the power minus 7. Let's write. Okay, so the next question is 3 to the power minus 5 divided by 3 to the power minus 7. Let's write 3 to the power minus 5 divided by 3 to the power minus 7. Then again whole divided by 3 to the power minus 2. Clear? 3 to the power minus 2. Now let's evaluate this. Okay, solution, then 3 to the power minus 5 divided by 3 to the power minus 7 and divided by 3 to the power minus 2. Look, 3 to the power 5, we can write this like base is common and powers, these exponents are different, right? So we can write this one minus 7. Clear? Then divided by 3 to the power minus 2. We'll write since a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. Clear? Okay. Now look, 3 to the power minus 5. Now minus it will be plus, that is 5 plus 7. Now 5 plus minus 5 plus 7 is what? Plus 2. 2 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. Up to this clear? Okay. Now look, this 3 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power minus 2 can be written in the form 3 to the power 2 minus 2, isn't it? It will be 3 to the power minus it will be plus, so 2 plus 2, so 3 to the power 4. Clear? Now 3 to the power 4 means what? 3 to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, isn't it? 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, 27 into 3, 7 3, 21, 2, 27 into 3, 7 3, 21, 2, 3 to 6, 7, 8, 81, 81. Clear? Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now let's move to our next. Okay, so our next expression is minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 4 divided by minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. So this one is very easy, right? Just take the base common and if base is common and powers are different, what is our rule? That is a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n, right? Just subtract the powers and then the result will be the our solution. So let's write solution, then minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 4 divided by minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. Now let's take the base common. Base is what? Minus 1 by 3, isn't it? Now minus 4 minus 2. Why? Because since a to the power m minus a to the power n divided equals a to the power m minus n. After this clear? Okay. Now look, this minus 1 by 3 3 can be written like this, right? Minus 4 minus it will be what? Plus, that is minus 4 plus 2, isn't it? Now again minus 1 by 3, then minus plus is what? Minus 4 minus 2 is what? Minus 2, isn't it? Now look, can we write this one as like this 3 to the power 2? Why? Since a to the power minus n equals since a to the power minus n equals 1 by a to the power n. Clear? Okay. So it will be what? 3 to the power minus 3 square means what? Minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 will be what? 9. Isn't it? Now you think where is the negative sign going to look? Minus 3 into minus 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Minus it is plus. Clear? Okay. And there is number 3, 4, you can solve yourself. Okay. If you don't, we'll solve in our next class. So now let's move to our question number 4. This one is also simplify. Okay. So here question number 3 is simplify. Okay. And the expression is 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 2 into 25 divided by 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5. Okay. Just look minutely. Okay. With full concentration. Okay. How I simplify this. Okay. So let's start. Now look, this 25 means what? 25 can be written as 5 square, right? Because 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, isn't it? So it will be 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 2 into 5 square, isn't it? Yes. So again it will be 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power minus 5. Clear? I will solve one step by one step. Okay, look, now first I will solve this 5 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power 2. Clear? Okay, so it will be 2 to the power minus 3 it will be what, 2 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 2. Now look, these both have 5 base common, isn't it? Base is common, isn't it? So can we write 5 common, and there both of them are multiplied, right? So what it will be? Minus 3 plus 2, isn't it? Minus 3 plus 2. Okay. Now in denominator will be remain same, 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power minus 5. Okay. So next step will be, look, it will be what, 2 to the power minus 3. Now do you know how this came? Because a to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n, isn't it? So with this law I have written this. So next step will be 2 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power 2 into 5. Okay, look, now minus plus is what? Minus. 3 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. 3 minus 2 is 1, and as it is minus, it will be minus 1. Okay, and the denominator will be same, 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power minus 5. Clear? Okay. Now look, this numerator is not further divisible, right? And denominator is also not further divisible. Okay, so what to do? We'll take this 2 to the power minus 5 to the numerator, and if we take this 5 to the power minus 1 to the denominator, we can solve, isn't it? Okay. How we'll take this? Because we have one law. Look, just look at the board. Now can we write it like this? 2 to the power minus 3 into 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5, then 10 to the power 2, and denominator we can write 5 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 1. Why? Since a to the power minus n equals 1 by a to the power n. Clear? Okay. Now look how this 2 to the power minus 5 has gone. Okay. This is 2 to the power minus 5 is in denominator form, right? Okay. Now look, now consider this is denominator, right? And now consider it has 1. Suppose there is 1. Okay. Now this is numerator of this. So it will be look like this, right? This 2 to 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 5. It will look like this, right? Consider there is one numerator. Okay. Now this form is in which form? This form is in this form, right? 1 by a to the power minus n, 1 by a to the power n. Okay. Now can we write this form as a to the power minus n? A to the power minus n. Can we write it? So I have written this one. Clear? Okay. Now look, we have base common, and this is multiplied in numerator also, in denominator also we have base common, and both of them are multiplied. So we can write how? Look, 2 to the power minus 3 plus 5, isn't it? And this one 10 to the power 2. Now 5 to the power 4 plus 1. Clear? Why? Since a to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. Okay. So now look, 2 to the power 3 minus 5, 3 minus 3 plus 5 is what? 2, isn't it? Into 10 square divided by 5 to the power 5. Okay, so up to this clear? Okay, now look, can we write 10 as 2 into 5? Yes. We can write 10 as 2 into 5, isn't it? So next expression will be 2 to the power 2 into 10 as 2 into 5 whole square, isn't it? Now in denominator 5 square. So it will be 2 into 2 square into 2 square, isn't it? Now 5 square into 5 square. It will be what? And denominator it will be 5. Clear? Okay. Now if we take 5 square to the denominator as of earlier. Here we have taken which number? This 2 to the power 2 we have taken one number, right, to the denominator. Look, 5 to the power minus 1, 5 to the power minus 1 from numerator to the denominator we have taken, right? Okay, so in this case also, if we take 5 to the power 2 in the denominator, it will be what? Look, 2 square into 2 square divided by 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power minus 2. Clear? So next will be 2 square means what? 2 square. 2 square is 4 into 4. Now look, 5 to the power 5 okay, look, it will be what? 5. Now 5 plus minus 2, isn't it? So 4 into 4 is 16. Now 5 to the power 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Now 5 cube means what? 5 into 5 is 25, isn't it? 25 into 5 is how much? 125. Clear? 125 and it will be 16. So now this is not furthermore, we can't simplify it further. So this is our required answer. I hope this is clear to you. It was a bit long, right? But if you understand, it is nothing. You can solve easily. So now let's move to our next question, that is question number 4. Okay, here the question number 4 is a bit different type of questions, right? Here we have to find the value of a certain number, that is certain letter, that is m. Okay, here we have to find the value of m. Now how can we find the value of m? This one is very interesting questions. Let's look at the both. Okay, now look, first look this left hand side. Okay, now in left hand side we have base same, isn't it? Base is same and both of them are multiplied and their powers are different. So we know there is one law, isn't? And with this law we can solve this part first. Look how we can write it like this: 3 to the power 7. Okay, first write into 3 to the power 7 to the power 10 equals 3 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 7. So now if we take base common, it will be 3 to the power 7. Okay, now minus 6 plus 10, isn't it? Minus 6 plus 10 equals 3 by 7 to the power 2m, isn't it? Now look, okay, can we write this one as 3 to the power 7? Look, minus 6 plus 10, it is what? How much? 4, isn't it? 4 equals 3 by 7 to the power 2m. Now if we have base common, that is base is equal, their powers will also be same, isn't it? Because look here, 3 to the power 3 by 7 2 to the power 4 equals 3 by 7 to power 2m. That means these two terms will be same, isn't it? Why same? Because if both of them are different, if both of them was different, then there wouldn't have equal sign, isn't it? Now okay, look again. Now look, 3 to the power 7 and 3 to the power 7, is there any possibility that their value will change? No, because if these are constant. Okay, in left hand side also we have 3 by 7, in the right hand side also we have 3 by 7, isn't it? Okay, let's forget this. Now left is what? Power, their powers 4 and 2m. In middle we have equal sign, that means both of their value is same. Okay, what I have told you, in middle we have equal sign, right? That means 4 equals 2m, that means their values is same. So can we write it one like this: 4 equals 2 by m? So here we have to give implies, right? So now this one is very easy, right? M equals 4 by 2, m equals 2, therefore value of m is 2, isn't it? So I hope you have understood how to find the value of any certain numbers. Okay, let us solve another one and you will be more clear. So next number is 2 by 9 to the power 4 into 2 by 9 to the power minus 7 in, okay, let's write number 2 by 9 to the power minus 4 into 2 by 9 power minus 7. Sorry, here it is not minus 4, it is plus 4, that is positive, equals 2 by 9 to the power 2m plus 1. Okay, this one is a bit different from the earlier one, but the process is same. Okay, so how to solve? Let's write solution. Then 2 by 9 to the power 4 into 2 by 9 to the power minus 7 equals 2 by 9 to the power 2m plus 1. Clear? Look, this we can write, we can take base common, to the power 2 by 9 to the power 4 plus minus 7, 4 plus minus 7, isn't it, equals 2 by 9 to the power 2m plus 1. Clear? Okay. So next step will be, we have to solve this, right? 4 plus minus is minus, right? So 4 minus 7 is how much? 4 minus 7, it is minus 3. So we'll write 2 by 9 to the power minus 3 equals 2 by 9 to the power 2m plus 1. 2m plus 1. Now both of them are bases common, and in middle we have equal sign. That means this power are also same, isn't it? Okay, so we write minus 3 equals 2m plus 1. Now if we change the side of plus 1, it will be 2m equals minus 3 minus 1. Now 2m equals minus 4, m equals minus 4 by 2, m equals minus 2. Therefore the value of m is minus 2, isn't it? I hope this is clear to you, how to find the value of m or value of any number alphabets. Okay, how? We have to first solve any side, okay, then we have to in both side we have to must find one term. Okay, this is one term, right? This is one term. Then in middle we have equal sign, that means their powers are same, isn't it? So just take the powers, 3 minus 3 equals to the power 2m plus 1, and then this one is what, linear equation, right? So how, and we all know how to find the value of fm in a linear equations. So this is the process. Clear? Okay, the remaining question number 3 and 4 you can solve. So now let's move to the question number 5. Okay, this one is also simplified, this one is also easy. Okay, so in this case also we have to simplify, right? These are very easy questions. What to do? We have to do, because these are in the books. So let's solve. Now 5 to the power this, okay, let's write fast. 5 to the power minus 10 divided by 5 to the power minus 7 whole bracket 5 to the power minus 4. Clear? Okay, now this can be written as minus 10 minus 7, isn't it, divided by 5 to the power minus 4. How? Because a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. Clear? Okay. Now look at the board. Look. Minus plus. So 10 minus 10 plus 7 is what? Minus 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 4, isn't it? So it will be 5 to the power minus 3 minus 4. So it will be 5 minus 3 plus 4. It will be 5 to the power 1. That means 5 to the power 1 means 5. Clear? So this is how you can simplify. Okay, and the remaining you will solve. Of the remaining that number 2, number 3, number 4 you will solve. And if you don't, I am here, right? So let's end it here, and the those questions in 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 we'll solve in our next class. So stay safe, stay blessed, and meet in our next class. Bye bye.